So welcome all of you. So in this video, I will give you an idea about how to select tools. So here, so first of all, you have to select the strategy. So I will select one strategy and I will select tool and click the library, and here you can see the plus icon. When you click the plus icon, you can see the different types of tools available in Fusion 360. This is the milling tool, this is the hole making tool, and this is the turning tool, that is a lathe operation, and this is the cutting, water jet cutting, laser cutting, and plasma cutting, and this is probing, and this is the holder. So I will click this milling, okay, ball and mill. When you click the ball and mill, you can see the different options: general, cutter, shaft, holder, cutting data, post processor, etc. The cutter, you can see this is the ball end mill. If you want to change this, you can change this into bullnose end mill, then chamfer mill, dovetail mill, face mill, flat end mill, foam mill, lollipop mill, radius mill, slot mill, tapered mill, thread mill, etc. Okay, so you can choose the type of the mill. Okay, and if you want to change the unit, you can change the unit. You can change the rotation, clockwise rotation or counterclockwise. So also you can increase the number of flutes. Okay, and you can change the material to carbide, ceramics, etc. And you can change the geometry. So this is the diameter. When you click this, you can see this is the diameter, and this is the shaft diameter, and this is the overall length, then length below holder, and this is the holder, and this is the length below holder, and this is the shoulder length, and this is the float length. Okay, so suppose I will select the bullnose and mill, and you can see, yeah, this is the length below holder, this is the corner radius, this is the float length, everything will be here. So in this way you can choose different types of milling tools. Okay, I will cancel this. Okay, and I will cancel this. Say for showing this example, I will again select another strategy, and I will select, say, uh, library, and click the plus button, and you can see the cutting operation or the hole making operation. I will click this hole making, boring bar. Okay, so center drill, then counter bore, counter sink, then drill, reamer, spot drill, tap left hand and tap right hand. Also you can change the unit, number of flutes, material, etc. Say I will select this boring bar. So here you can see, you can change the overall length, length below holder, shoulder length, flute length, etc. You can change this. Center drill, like this. You can change the diameter, shaft diameter, tip angle, overall length, length below holder, shoulder length, flute length, tip length, taper angle, etc. You can see, you can change this. Okay, so I will show this turning also. Okay, so turning is actually used for cylindrical workpiece. So I will click this turning general, and here you can see the inserts, various inserts. You can change the shapes. Okay, 85-degree parallelogram, 80-degree diamond, 85-degree parallelogram, 55-degree parallelogram. So these are the relief angles: 7-degree, 0-degree, 3-degree, etc. And you can change the tolerance, you can change the cross section, and you can change the insert size, thickness, corner radius, etc. So here you can see turning general to turning boring, and you can change this into turning grooving operation. Okay, you can see the grooving tool, and you can change the turning threading. So unit, the shape. Okay, the tolerance, cross section, material, the thickness, overall length, width, thread pitch, etc. So in this way, you can select different types of milling tools, different types of hole making tools, turning tools, water jet cutting, laser cutting, and plasma cutting tools. Okay, so I will select this water jet cutting. Yeah, click the cutter here. Here you can see the type as water jet, and this is the, you can see the curve width, the nozzle clearance diameter. You can change this into laser cutter. So here, this is the laser cutter, and here you can change it into plasma cutter. Okay, so in this way, you can select different types of milling tools, different types of hole making tools, different types of turning tools, and different types of water jet, laser, and plasma cutting tools. Okay, if you want to select this probing, okay, you can change the stylus, you can change the unit, you can change the diameter, shaft diameter, and you can change the diameter of the probe, you can change the length below holder, etc. So that was all about the details about the tool. I hope it's clear how to select the tool, milling tool, the hole making tool, the turning tool, the cutting tool. Thank you.